Hey, what's up, Rockstars? Right now I'm hanging out in a Turbo S2000. It's a Gretty kit, and it's carb legal for California. When was the last time you saw a carb legal turbo kit on an S2000? Now, most boosted applications I see for the S2000, they're usually supercharged, but you don't really see turbo that often. Unless you saw our shop race car, that bad boy was turbo. Well, I want to know why. Why do you guys go supercharged instead of turbo? Well, I guess there's more supercharger kits out there than there are turbocharger kits. I'd rather go turbo, just like this guy.